Okay, this is a quick and very short tutorial on how to download, upload, and edit your mini test for the Anglo. The first thing you have to do is to open your web browser, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Firefox, the one you're using, and you go to the Anglo site, to the Moodle Anglo site. Here is the address. You can see it highlighted. Once there, you click on Login here. You need to write your username. That is going to be your identity card number without the last digit. So I got one example for you. The password is going to be exactly the same number without the last digit. Log in. We wait until the whole page loads. We scroll down. Now I'm going to click on the name of my course. That is the only one you're going to have. Carrasco Senior 6. A new window appears. You scroll down and you click on Tests. Once they're in Tests, you can see that you have mini test number 1. You click on it and a new window will pop up so that you can download to your computer. It's vital for you to download that PDF file to your computer. You choose the destination, you click on save, that is going to be saved there. Then make sure you open it using the Acrobat Reader so that you can edit the test. Once you have finished with the test and it's ready and you have saved all the changes after having opened it with the Acrobat Reader, you click here where it says send it to your teacher, that folder, and on add submissions. And there you can drop the file here, drag and drop the file here, or if you want to, you can add it here, file picker, okay? And you have to upload it first to here. You choose upload a file. You select the archivo you want from your computer where you have, say, the test, and you send it to me. Okay? Once you've got save as, test, author, whatever, you upload the file and that's it. I get the test to be marked. Okay? Thank you so much for your attention. Bye-bye.